PVC floor according to the combination of materials and mixed proportion of different general, SPC click, LVT click, LVT glue down, WPC click, loose lay. What are LVT? LVT stands for luxury vinyl tiles, and its base material is composed of calcium carbonate, polyvinyl chloride, and plasticizer. Let me first introduce LVT glue down. This flooring option is particularly stable and resistant to scratches. LVT glue down is composed of the following 6 layers. First layer, per UV special layer. Second layer, hard wearing top layer. Third layer, exceptionally realistic HD printed. Fourth layer, pressure layer. Fifth layer, middle layer with glue system. Sixth layer, sound insulating and watertight backing layer. Now let's introduce LVT click. LVT click is composed of the following 6 layers. First layer, per UV special layer. Second layer, hard wearing top layer. Third layer, exceptionally realistic HD printed. Fourth layer, pressure layer. Fifth layer, middle layer with click system. Sixth layer, sound insulating and watertight backing layer. LVT glue down and LVT click have many similarities at the structural level, but the key difference lies in the mounting system of the middle layer. The adhesive type uses glue to secure, and the latching type uses a latching system to connect. LVT glue down suitable for high flow areas and commercial use, very stable after installation. LVT click is easy and fast to install, suitable for home use, and easy to disassemble and replace.